Okay, London session done. I'll go over the trades I took real quick. Took one on Nikkei. I don't usually trade Nikkei in London, but I had taken a setup in Asia somewhere down here. Took partials at the fake out of the previous H1 high. Moved my runners to this right below this momentum bar, and I got taken out on this move down. But I still like the move because we stayed above the previous week high, and this M15 fake out bar also faked out the H4 low. So once I saw this, I wanted to enter as price got above the last M15 low bearish breakout level. Entered straight off the M15 like this, stops right below the fake out bar and targeting the weak breakout level. So this is a counter trend breakout setup. We're below the weak breakout low and we're broken out above the previous week high. That's a counter trend breakout, breaking out of a previous high. A lot of times these go straight to that weak breakout level, and so I did want to get in on this because these are pretty predictable. Yeah, so as price got to the high of the day, I ended up taking partials here. So about 2.5R, I think it was 2.5 to 3R, and holding it up to the weak breakout level. In the Asia video, I mentioned that I didn't like that I was trading right into this fake out level, the monthly fake out level. And price did react right there, came down, took me out, but I liked how we stayed above the previous week high, and I was able to get in at a low price, and I could have gone break even as we got back to that fake out level. So this is one trade that I took, and the other trade that I took was on UK100. UK100 signal day trend continuation signal day. We have the breakout level right here, the daily breakout level here. It's a breakout low. Obviously, we didn't get under it. It opened up above it. So we flipped that breakout level, and this turns into a peak formation. Don't counter trade peak formations. We're above the day breakout level coming into London. H8 breakout level is bullish. We broke out above the previous day high and previous week high as well. And so I had lots of bullish confluence taking this up. The one thing I didn't like, though, is that we were trading right into the weak breakout low. Although this has already been violated, but I still don't want to be trading right into that. So coming into London, 2 p.m. Jakarta time, we're up above and we faked out the H8 high. This is actually a breakout reversal setup. I could have taken this down, but when I dropped down to the lower time frames, I didn't get enough R for me to take it. I think it was like something like just a little bit over 1R that I could have taken it down, unless I had a riskier stop. But I just did not like the idea. It was too small, and we had lots of higher time frame confluence pushing up. Daily H8, H4, all pushing up. So did not want to take a reversal on this one. The other thing is the H8 bar. Each one of these H8 bars is one session: Asia, London, New York. The Asia H8 bar closed strong breakout. It's also a signal bar. It's a trend breakout continuation that takes out the last bearish breakout level, flips the bias of the H8 time frame. So that's a strong breakout bar. Did not want to reverse that move. So instead, waited for a pullback to take it back up. Price came down. Once I saw it at the previous day high, triggered the previous day high, dropped down to the lower time frames, and I saw that it had also faked out the previous H1 high right here, and I waited until price got above the M15 breakout level before I entered. So as price crossed this level, I entered, stop loss at the lows of the structure, and I'm targeting first target almost there at the high of the week, which is also close to the month breakout level. But because we have such a strong push on the H8, I'm probably going to hold this for longer, try to maybe possibly swing trade this. Let me see. Could possibly take it to the high of this week range. So yeah, about here. So I'll see how price behaves, and I'll be trailing my stops. Um, Maybe right after this video, I'll probably take partials. Let me see, about 2.5. Yeah, I'll take partials right after this video. Yeah, so that's the second trade that I took, and that's it. I did not take any other trades. Did not like D30. It was in inside bar, and it was in a range the entire time. The H8 bar also closed as an inside bar. Um, yeah, so the H8 is an inside bar. Whenever I see inside bars, I try not to trade them if I don't have enough room. So we're inside a range on that. The H8 on UK100 closed as a breakout bar. So that's why I opted for UK100 instead of DE30. And I traded Nikkei because I like that setup in the morning. Didn't like that I got taken out, and I did want to get in to get that continuation. Gold had some nice movement, but it did not pull back for me to take anything. So I had no way to enter this. In hindsight, I could have entered on this fake out low to take it up, but I mean, it was right at that weekly closing price, so I did not, I did not expect. Well, I expected a continued move up, but you never know how long it's going to go. So, did not enter on that. Oil inside week, so at the outer range, I was looking for a continuation down, um, or it could do anything actually. So, I mean, higher time frames are all bullish. So, well, anyways, no setup for me on oil. Did not fake out anything in my session. So that was that. I also did all my London Forex pairs, but did not focus on any of these pairs. Missed some nice um, yen moves. I could have definitely taken some of these, but um, yeah, usually in London, I'll look at the London pairs, GJ and EJ. Definitely could have taken this one. But I think I didn't take it because the H4 was right here, previous week high. I think I liked EJ the most, but didn't. I thought the stop was too large, and I didn't really feel like taking such a riskier move. So didn't take that. Yeah, the H4 was right here. If I had faked out lower down here, for sure I'd take it, but did not do that, and that was it. AJNJ, I wouldn't have taken that. CADJ, no. This one, yeah, also nothing. Did not fake out anything for me to take this one. So I guess I could consider this a missed setup. Got above the H8 breakout level. This we have the previous week high here. Yeah, so missed this one, and that's it. I did not really look at. I wasn't really paying attention to forex, anyways. I was focused more on the indices, and that's it. Now waiting for New York.